This heavy world screams and shouting, racing hearts but empty houses. I feel a pull through all this noise, a quiet voice calling higher from 3D to 5D. You are lifting me out of fear and broken memory. Can you feel that higher frequency? Jesus, you are all I'll ever need. From 3D to 5D, you are setting me free. Let the old world fall and fade from me. I let go of every chain I see. Jesus, take me into 5D. Old shadows say, stay where you are, but you paint stars on my ceiling. I drop the weight of my own shame. You write your